In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to your project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Go ahead and log in to your Asana account to access your workspace. If you already have a project in mind, great. If not, feel free to take a moment and familiarize yourself with your dashboard. Once you're in your Asana workspace, look at your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects. Select the specific project where you'd like to add new guests. This could be a team project, a client project, or any other collaborative effort you have going on. Just click on it, and it will open up the project interface. Now that you have your project open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a Share button there. It's usually represented by a symbol that looks like a person outline or a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that Share button. After you click it, a Share menu will appear. You're looking for a section that says Invite with Email. This is where you'll be typing in the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite as guests to your project. Make sure you enter their email addresses accurately. A small typo could prevent them from receiving the invitation. Once you've entered the email addresses, you'll want to decide what kind of access these guests should have. Asana allows you to set different permission levels for each person you invite. You can choose whether they will be viewers, meaning they can look at the content but not make changes, or commenters, which allows them to provide feedback and comments on tasks and project details. Think carefully about the level of access each guest should have. After setting the permissions, all that's left is to send out the invitations. Look for the button that says Invite. Click on that, and Asana will send digital invitations directly to the email addresses you provided. It's quick and straightforward. Now here's a little tip. After you've sent the invites, it's a good idea to check back in with the guests you invited. They will receive an email asking them to accept the invitation to join your project. Sometimes, emails can end up in spam folders, so if you are in touch with those individuals, it might help to give them a heads up to keep an eye out for that invite email. And that's it. You've successfully added guests to your project in Asana. You can check the member list of your project to ensure they're listed as guests. This way, you can confirm they accepted the invitation and are now part of your project team. Thanks for watching today's video on how to add guests to your project in Asana. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more useful tips and tricks. Happy collaborating, and good luck with your project.